You're welcome to this video on how to add terms and sessions to your school on the School Try portal. If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, ensure you do so by clicking the subscribe button below. Alright then, adding term and session on the school is what gives the school a database that allows the school have a well-described format for students and teachers to be imputed, including parents as well. It's also the digital way of replacing their first term, second term, third term of the regular school results. So the first step you're going to take, log into your school's admin dashboard or your school's sub-admin dashboard. EMS, Model School, the School Try, the com/admin/home. And what we're going to see is us logging in on the school's admin portal. And this is actually where we're going to be adding the session and time on the school's portal. Now, you come to the upper left side here and you click on the three dashes here. You come to manage sessions. You have dashboard, manage results, manage sub-admins, manage users, manage class groups, manage sessions. You come to manage sessions. When you click on manage session, the next thing you're going to go for is come to add session here. When you click on add session, you're going to be given a short form to fill. For example, what year is the session starting from? I can say 2020 till 2021. As a matter of fact, we're still in 2020, so we can say it's currently in progress. So once you click currently in progress, 10 is simple. You click autumn if it's autumn, winter, summer, and midterm. So you're going to select one. The next thing is for you to just click on save rather than. And once save is being clicked, in our next video, we're going to be discussing on how to manage classes on the School Try portal. Stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel.